Craving warm, homemade apple desserts but short on time? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm showing you 3 incredibly easy recipes, all starting with one simple can of biscuits and some apples. No complicated dough required. Recipes you'll learn. Easy apple fritters, the fastest way to get your fritter fix. Simple apple turnovers. Flaky, gooey, and perfect for on the go. Quick apple bake. The ultimate cozy dump and bake dessert. I'll show you how to make the fastest, easiest fritters ever, and as a bonus, how to turn those same ingredients into a delicious apple biscuit bake. Ever crave homemade apple fritters but don't have the time? Here's a brilliant shortcut. Just grab a can of refrigerated biscuits and chop up some fresh, crisp apples. For fritters, mix them together with a dash of cinnamon, then fry spoonfuls until golden brown. Or, for another easy treat, flatten each biscuit and fill with the apple mixture. Fold into a turnover and bake. 2 amazing apple desserts from one simple hack. For the perfect finishing touch, drizzle glaze or dust with powdered sugar while the treats are still warm. Now for the apple bake. Layer the biscuit dough and apple slices in a baking dish, sprinkle with cinnamon and sugar, and bake until golden and bubbly. This is the ultimate cozy dump and bake dessert, perfect for sharing. Try these easy recipes and treat yourself today.